Hi, I'm Larry Johnson. I am a professor here at Texas A&M University, and we're going to talk about the female reproductive system. We're going to talk about fertilization, oviduct function, features, uterine implantation, and the cervix.
In terms of fertilization to occur, you have the zona pellucida, and through here you can see the zona pellucida, and this is the space between the egg and the zona pellucida, and so you've got the sperm binds to it, and then it undergoes an acrosome reaction. So the acrosome reaction, as we'll see in a minute, is a fusion of the outer acrosomal membrane and the plasma membrane, and that yields the enzymes which are necessary to penetrate through the zona pellucida, and then it goes inside there, and then the head goes inside the ovum, and you get decondensation of the nucleus, and then you get the nucleus and the binding of the two nuclei once you're in there to make the two end. So each one, the ovary, the ovum, as well as the sperm, each brought in one end. That makes a two-end individual. Here we see the acrosome reaction. These are the nuclei of the sperm, and you can see these little vesicles here, where you get the fusion of the plasma membrane and the outer acrosomal membrane, and that makes these vesicles, the acrosome reaction, and that makes the enzymes which are in the acrosome available to allow the sperm to penetrate through the zona pellucida. And so here we see the oviduct where the egg has been released, fertilized. It takes about 5 days for the egg to get through. It's already fertilized. It's early divisions to occur before it actually implants into the uterus. And so that timing gives the uterus a time to develop from the ovarian hormones to the secretory phase, so it'll be able to accommodate the implantation to occur. And here we can see this is the myometrium, the endometrium, and we can see about a 10-day-old fetus has implanted there. All we see is the membranes. We don't see the fetus itself. We just see the membranes, but it's a real early one on. Coming out of the uterus, you got the cervix, and the vagina, and here we see cervix with the cervical glands secrete in through there, and the cervix is mostly plugged up to prevent bacteria from going in through there. But at the time of one of the effects of estrogen is to make the cervix non-hostile to sperm, and so it changes the dynamics of the cervix, and sperm are able to swim through the cervix at that time. So you have simple columnar epithelium, and then all of a sudden stratified squamous at the cervical os. And so here we see the cervix. So this is a lot of muscle, but then this is connective tissue as well. And then this is the endocervix, and through there it'll be, of course, all the way around where you see the wall. And then we can see the cells, simple columnar cells that you see in the cervix, and then the glands part. And you can see cervical mucus coming out of there. So you have these type cells in through there. You can see them here. And then that gives rise to stratified squamous epithelium, non-keratinized, that we can see on the outside. So this would be cervical os in through there. And then in the vagina, you would have stratified squamous epithelium, non-keratinized, lamina propria muscularis, and then the serosa on the outside.
We want to acknowledge the original sources of figures, images, and drawings that might have been used during this presentation. This is the original sources that have been identified there. So this is the end of the female reproductive tract, fertilization, oviduct function, features, uterine implantation, and cervix. Thank you.